Hello everyone, welcome to our tutorial on how to download and install JMeter on Windows 10. In this video, we will walk you through the process step by step. So before we download JDK in our system, I'm going to show you how to check if JDK or Java in our system already is available or not. So open in the search box, type CMD, which is stand for command prompt, and type Java-version. If you see the comment, the response, Java is not recognized as an internal or external comment, so that means you don't have Java in your system. Next, open Chrome browser and in the search box type download JDK 17 for Windows. Then you will get the link from the Oracle site. So click Java download. You see, it will select the JDK 22, then JDK 21, but we are going to download JDK 17. So click here. Then click the operating system, which is Windows, and download the x64 installer. So you're going to install the installer. So click on this middle link. Then it will start download. I already download before I record this session. So it will be after complete download, it will be available on your download folder. So now I'm going to install. So double click on it. Then click next. And it will be download under the C program file Java JDK 17. Click next. So it will take few minutes. And now just click close. Okay. So now I have to add the JDK information in the environment path. So let me first open the location where JDK was installed. So go to this PC, Windows 10, go to the program files, and this is Java. Okay, so double click on it, then JDK. So this should be the home. Then we need a bin path. Okay, so now I'm going to open the environment variable path. Environment system variable. So environment variable. Then under the system variable, I'm going to click new, and I'm going to say Java underscore home. And then I have to copy the path, the home path here, and paste it here. Click OK. Then I have to scroll down a little bit under the system path. You see the path here. So click on it, click edit. Right. So now, and click on the bin folder here and copy the path. Again, click new here, Control V, click OK, OK. And I'm going to close everything and click OK here. So now I'm going to open the CMD again, the command prompt. Now if I type Java-version, so as you see, Java version is display here. So that means we are successfully download and install Java in our system. Thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome to our tutorial on how to download and install JMeter on Windows 10. In this video, we'll walk you through the process step by step. So the step number 1, open Chrome browser and in the search box, type JMeter download. Then click on the download Apache JMeter. It will take you to the official site. So now click on the download and release. It will be showing on exactly the same page. Then here we are going to download the latest JMeter version, which is 5.6.3. And as you see, the requirement for the in order to use JMeter, you must have a Java 8 plus, but we have JDK or Java 17, so we are good. Since we are going to download and install in our Windows system, so we have to select under the binaries, we have to select the second option with the zip. So Apache-JMeter 5.6.3. So just click on it. Then it will go to the download folder. So I already downloaded here, so that's why it's double here. So let me delete one of them. So now we are going to unzip this one. So you have to extract this zip file, a zip folder. So right click, extract all. And for now, I'm going to keep it in the same folder. So extract. So it will take a few seconds. So it took me about 2 to 3 minutes. Based on your speed, system speed, it will take a time. So now let me close this. So you see after extract is created another folder. So just double click on it. There should be another folder. Now double click. So I'm going to open the bin folder. So now I'm going to select, since I'm using the Windows, so JMeter Windows bash file here. You see the JMeter on the right side, the file type is the Windows bash file. So double click on it. And once again, now the JMeter application will be open. So now I can minimize. So you cannot close this one. So this is the instance of JMeter. So this one is, this has to be run. So if you close, JMeter application will be closed. Okay. So let me show you here. So this is the JMeter dashboard. Okay. So now if you close this window, JMeter will be closed as well. Okay, so that is how you download and install JMeter on Windows. Thank you. Today, I'm going to show you how to download and install MySQL Server and MySQL Workbench on Windows 10. Okay, so first, open Google Chrome and type MySQL Community Server, and then you will see the two links here. So click on the first link, download MySQL Community Server, then it will take you to this page. So make sure it's MySQL Community Downloads and MySQL Community Server. And then we are going to download the MSI installer. See the Windows x86 64-bit MSI installer. So click on download. As soon as you click on download, it will take a few minutes to download. Then you will open the download folder and it will be looks like this. So now I'm going to install it. So double click on it. Click next. I accept term and condition. Next, I'm going to click select complete. Click install. Now it will take a few minutes. So click yes. Now click finish. Click yes again. Okay, so now it will be open another window. So now click next again, next, and make sure when you enter the password, you copy the password somewhere. So I already have Notepad open. So I put the username for the root, and the password, I put password and a special character. So I'm going to copy the password and going back to the installation window. And I'm going to paste here, Control V, Control V again. Now it's a weak password, that's fine because these will be in our local system. So click next, next, next. And this is the default database. So it's asking, if you want to keep the default database, you can click create circular database. I'm going to create both. Click next, execute. Right, click next and finish. So MySQL Server installation is done. So now we have to use MySQL Workbench to write our query or create a database, retrieve the data from the database. Okay, so now we're going to download and install MySQL Workbench. So again, open Chrome browser and type download MySQL Workbench community server. You see the second link, download MySQL Workbench. It will open like this. You see the MySQL Workbench. And now just click on the download, MSI installers, click download. I also already download. So this is in my download folder, already is available. So I'm going to install it. So double click next, next, and click next, install, click yes. Okay. The installation has been completed. Click finish. Now by default, it will open MySQL Workbench. So let me minimize this. So this is the default instance. So let me see if I'm able to access or not. And I have to provide the password. Say continue. Okay, so schemas. As you see, these two database I create during the installation of MySQL database. So now if I want to run any query, select query, and I should see the results here. Okay, so this is how you download and install MySQL Server and Workbench on Windows 10 or Windows operating system. Thank you.